29H unboxing. To set up your Cut-True 29H, begin by properly unpacking the cutter. Remove the screws in the top cover. Then remove the cover. Remove the 4 sidewalls of the container. Then, remove the plastic wrapping from the 29H. Remove the accessory box located in front underneath the foot pedal. With the cutter unpackaged, remove each of the 4 bolts that connect the 29H to the pallet. Use a forklift to lift the machine off the pallet. Gently lower the cutter onto the ground. Using a hand truck, set the 29H into place. Then adjust the bottom of the left front leg to level the cutter.